Hello everyone, today I would like to share with all of you Hindu Marriage Act in a summary type. Hindu Marriage Act come in after the 6th year of Republic Day of India. When the India declared Republic in 1950, then after 6 years, that means 1955, that Hindu Marriage Act will come. It has 6 chapters. 29 section. Chapter number 1 talk about the short title commencement and also the definition. Short title commencement, that means this act is the Hindu Marriage Act. It work in India except Jammu and Kashmir, but now it works also whole India, included Jammu and Kashmir. And it also talk about the Hindus. Hindus are who? Hindus are all the Jain, Sikh and Buddha are called Hindu, and whose one parent are Hindu, that are also called Hindu. And section 3 talk about the definitions. Definitions is that means prescribed, spindas relationship, prohibited relationship, usages and customs, and they also talk about uterine blood, half blood, full blood. All these are discussed in section 3. Section 4 talk about the act of over effecting, over, we can say that over effecting of this act. That means overriding effect of this act. That means when this act start, then the before this act, whatever the laws were working, that are working, no, that were not working. But yes, law never denied the custom, law never denied the usages. So of all the customs and usages, law always should follow. Now come on the chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 discuss about the Hindu marriage. Hindu marriage, first is that section 5 says that condition about the Hindu marriage. Both be mature, 18 years, 21 years, both have sound minded, and consent should be free. And section 6 repel from the Hindu Marriage Act. Section 7 says that ceremony is very important. Section 8 says that registration of the marriage is also very important. So section 5 to 8 discuss about the Hindu marriage. Chapter number 2. Now the chapter number 3 come in the restitutional and conjugal right. When the restitutional and conjugal right, if the marriage held between two persons, then we all know that tears and wears should come. So when the tears and wears come, then sometimes husband decide to get separated, sometimes women said. So but if one of the party want to, we can say that resettled her home or his home, then he or she has a right to file an application in the court restitution of the conjugal right. That means reconciliation them, reconcile them. Okay. Then discuss about the judicial separation. Judicial separation, that means it's not a divorce, but they are separated by the judicial process. Detail I will discuss in another video, but now there's a summary, so we will quick way cover the Hindu Marriage Act, right? Chapter number 4, nullity of the marriage. Nullity of the marriage and divorce. Chapter number 4 discuss about nullity of the marriage and divorce. Section 11 says that void marriage. Section 12 says that voidable marriage. Section 13 talk about the divorce. 13A said that alternate of the divorce procedure. 13B said that divorce by mutual consent. And then 14 says that no petition of the divorce to be prepared within the 1 year of the marriage. 15 says that a divorced person, when they may marry again. 16 says that legitimacy of the child void and voidable marriage. 17 punishment of the bigamy. 18 punishment for the contravention of the certain another condition of the Hindu law. So this is all. So section 11 to section 18 are covered by chapter 4. Now the chapter 5. Chapter 5 talk about, now there were the dispute held divorce. We discussed that in which condition the divorce will held, and now chapter 5 says that in which court the application will filed, that is section 19. Section 20, content and verification of the application. Content, that means which kind of the content they are given, and the verification that those content given by the party is right, that is discussed in section 21. 20 21, application of this act 5 number 5 1908. 21A says that power of the transfer petition in certain cases. Sometimes party not satisfied with the proceeding, so they want to transfer their case. So the court have a power to transfer, power of the court to transfer the petition in certain cases, and the special provision relating to the trial or disposal of the petition under special provision, which are relating to the trial or disposal of the provision, that is discussed about 21b. Here the special provision relating to the trial and disposal of the provision. 21c, documentary evidence. So this is the 22 also talk about the proceeding to in front of the camera, but may not be printed or published. And 24 says about, this is all chapter 5. 24 says about decree of the proceeding. 23 says about 23a says that relief for the respondent in divorce and another proceeding. 24 says that maintenance of the pendant allied or expenses of the proceeding. 25, permanent alimony. 26, custody of the children. 27, repel. 28, appeal from the decree and order. So chapter 5 talk about the court proceeding, in which court the case will go, content and verification, application of the Act 5 1908, power to transfer the petitions, special provision where the trial case or relating to the trial or the disposal of the petition. That means proceeding, documentary evidence, proceeding to be camera and not to be printed, decree in the proceeding, relief to the respondent, maintenance to the pendant allied and the expenses of the proceeding, permanent alimony, custody of the children, appeal from the decree or order. So this all discuss about chapter number 5, that is related to section 19 to 19 to 28. Now chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 says about saving and repel. Section 29 talk about saving. Section 30 talk about the repel. This is all very small act, Hindu Marriage Act 1955, and it apply over Hindus. And now I think your summary is in very short way. Listen this video 2-3 times, then your Hindu Marriage Act 1955 clear in your mind. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe it. Why I am saying that like, share, subscribe it, because we want to arrive those kids and those women who really need this, okay, men and women and another, okay. So love for everyone. So with this, bye, take care, keep smiling, be steady.